The mechanical design of this robot is done using a free and open source 3D CAD software called FreeCAD version 1. Here I'm showing the different view of the design. Now I'm going to show the exploded view. This shows how the various components are linked together to form a complete systems. Here I'm placing the actual robot on the table. I'm going to rotate the machine 360 degrees so that you can see the construction from different viewpoints. Now I'm going to power up the robot. It takes a while for the robot controller and the Raspberry Pi computer to fully boot up. I'm going to open the top cover of the robot to review the internal constructions. Now the cover is open. I can see the internal structures of the machine. Here we have the lithium polymer battery, and on top is the inertial measurement unit. Now this is the DC to DC converter supplying 5 volts to the Raspberry Pi, and this is the custom design robot controller. It runs on a microchip DSPIC 33. You can see the heatsink. I'm going to cover back the machine. Here I'm testing the sensors on board the robots. Essentially, I'm testing the encoder on the wheels, the infrared obstacle detection sensor at the front, and also on the top there is a laser ranging sensor that scans the surrounding for obstacles. The robot platform transmit these telemetric data of the sensors to my computer through Wi-Fi, and I'm able to show it using a graphical user interface. The robot is also streaming video from the onboard camera over Wi-Fi connections. Here I'm calling up an app to display the video.